Good evening. My name is Jolie Hurtado. I am going to talk about Erin Zambrano. Daily routine of Erin Zambrano in the morning at 5 o'clock she washes her face and brushes her teeth. At 5:30 she not only prepares her breakfast but also she prepares her lunch too. Between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, she drinks a coffee with a bread. In the afternoon, she eats her lunch and after she goes to work. At 1 o'clock, since 2 o'clock until 5 o'clock, she provides customer service while she answers her office phone. At 4 o'clock, she eats cookies. In other matters, she checks her cell phone. In the evening, at 6 o'clock, more or less, she goes to the house and she drives her motorcycle. 5:30, first she drinks a coffee and second she turns on her computer. At 6 o'clock she receives classes from the university at the same time she takes a note. Until 1 in the morning, last but not least, she does the homework of the university. At night, at 9:15, finally she puts in pyjama and apart from her coat. Thank you.